What's up guys, MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. As you can see, we're doing another Savoy cocktail recipe, and this time guys it is the Prohibition Cocktail. But one thing to mention is, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, and so it really does help the channel grow, and also don't forget to comment as well, so it really helps the algorithm grow. But that's all for now, so let's get straight into it. Right, to make the Prohibition Cocktail guys, get your shaker and put in some ice. Right, to make the Prohibition Cocktail guys, the first ingredient to go in is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Plymouth GIn. Next ingredient guys is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Cocchi Americano. It's a substitute for kina lillet, which is no longer in the market. It's ended quite a while back. Because they're trying to follow the recipe as close as possible out of the Savoy cocktail book. But this is a good substitute and I will recommend. Right, next ingredient guys is 10ml of orange juice, or 2 dashes. Because a dash is about 5ml, so 10ml. Because then the side note is freshly squeezed orange juice. This. And the last ingredient guys is 5ml of Apricot brandy. Right, put your lid on and time to shake for 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Alright, now time to get your cocktail glass. We're using a Martini. Now straight into your Martini glass. The last thing to do now is garnish it with a lemon peel. Perfect. And how does the Prohibition Cocktail taste? I really like that. Certainly complements, especially with Americano, lillet, and that nice taste mixed in with Plymouth GIn. Mixed in with the orange juice, gives it that nice orangey taste. So yeah, it's really nice. I'm loving the flavour of this. Just everything about it, it's just ooh, beautiful. So if you're interested in Prohibition cocktails, I would recommend the Prohibition Cocktail straight out of the Savoy cocktail book, which is from 1928, was published 92 years ago. So certainly the 1920 era this. So if you're interested in the Prohibition era cocktails, I would recommend this, which is named after it, the Prohibition Cocktail. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as we do mocktails, cocktails and recreation, everything else, and mocktails as well. But I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.